Hey everyone, I'm Jacqui Becker, Senior Product Manager on the Marketplace Group. Before we get started, I have a question for you to think about. Have you ever had a customer tell you that your app was too hard to install? Today, we're talking about the seamless install flow within HubSpot, why we built it, what it means for you, and how to get started. This session is valuable for builders who have apps currently listed in the HubSpot Marketplace, or for any builder who's working towards their listing. Let's get started. For our partners who are at our ecosystem kickoff, you probably heard us talk about HubSpot's Year of Quality. It's a company-wide commitment to fixing what has been frustrating our customers the most. Not shipping shiny new features, but making sure the fundamentals actually work. And one of the clearest pain points that kept coming up, customers getting their tech stack installed and working within HubSpot. It's been showing in our CSAT consistently for years. The install process has felt broken, confusing, or just incomplete. Seamless Install is our answer to that. Customers have been telling us loud and clear, they just want apps that work. No leaving HubSpot, no errors, no mystery whether something is actually connected. When we mapped the end-to-end install experience, we found more than 10 different paths depending on the app. 10. And each one had its own adventure, and not in a good way. That often meant bouncing out of HubSpot to a third-party page, hitting a re-authentication wall, or landing on a dead end with no clear next step. Scope errors, redirects, loops, we have heard it all from our customers running into all of it. And the kicker, even when it did work, there was no clear success rate. Customers generally weren't sure install actually completed. That ambiguity is brutal for trust. From our side, with 10 different paths at play, it was nearly impossible to systematically improve things. You just can't optimize what you can't control. So, what does Seamless Install actually mean? It's our new standardized install experience that runs fully within HubSpot. No redirects, no third-party pages. If your app only needs HubSpot OAuth and doesn't require a complex or custom onboarding flow, this is for you. Your customers can find your app, authorize it, and be up and running, activating immediately without ever leaving HubSpot. So you may be wondering, why do we care so much about streamlining install flow for our customers? Where we've simplified and standardized the install flow, we have seen real impact. Apps on the seamless install pattern are seeing about 30% higher conversion than our old flows. That's a pretty compelling signal that reducing friction works. This matters even more as we invest in context, app discovery, and install. Feedback you partners have been asking us for years. The goal is to keep customers in the context of what they're doing and discover you inside CRM, tools, workflows. Seamless Install is a core part of making that vision real. Where we've landed is that Seamless Install is our default for apps that fit. But it's not the only option. We're actively defining and documenting clear exception paths for cases where it just doesn't make sense. All right, enough of me talking, because the best way to understand Seamless Install is to see it in action in a demo. We'll walk through 4 scenarios today. First, how to opt your app into Seamless Install. That's the configuration step on your end. Then, we'll look at the listing editor as well as the customer experience, what it looks like without partner sign-on, and then with partner sign-on. And finally, the exception request flow for apps that generally don't fit in our standard pattern. Now I'll hand it over to my colleague Harish to take us through it. Thanks.